On this episode of EatUp Silicon Valley, we're visiting our homie Big T, who's doing big things in East San Jose. His restaurant, Big T's Seafood Market Bar, features a unique culinary experience because ordering requires you to first choose your seafood protein, and there's a lot to choose from, then choose one of his amazing 13 sauces, and he has my favorite, which is the SF Giant Sauce. Finally, you prep your style. You can have it fried, grilled, steamed. It's up to you. It's all custom. Big T's has recently expanded from East San Jose to his newest location in Sunnyvale, right around the corner from Levi Stadium. So we're about to eat up. Enjoy. Check out this giant sea snail that is grilled and tossed in a Cajun sauce. It's good. It's got that chewy texture, but it's actually very flavorful. So what do we have here?
So this is actually a lobster. So this is the body of the lobster. We deep fry the body in SF Giant, which is a tangy banana sesame sauce. On top of that, we top with cheese, with garlic butter, and top with green onions.
I can smell all those ingredients you just said right now. I can smell it all right now. I mean, I want to lick. This is like a lollipop.
You can just suck on it too.
Yeah, I mean, it's delicious. Check out this giant 28-ounce bone-in ribeye steak Big T prepared for us. Look at the size of this thing. Just look at my head.
Yeah, it's bigger than the head. Style it. It's called black and blue. Black on the outside, black and crispy. And then once you cut it, it's blue on the inside, which is medium rare.
Blue on the inside. Oh, okay. And so this is the sashimi. So what is the reason why you serve it on ice?
So the reason why we serve it on ice is to keep it cool and after keep it at the temperature, so it tastes fresh still. The freshness is still there.
Look at that.
If you were to look actually closely, it's actually still moving. It's actually moving really closely. Yeah, some part of it actually should be moving.
It's so fresh that it's still moving. Wow.
Yeah. There.
I'm ready to eat this bad boy.
Yeah.
What's in here? Is this
We got oyster, we got the quail egg, we got tapico in there, and we have fresh wasabi and our house soy, which we make from scratch, and then we got a little
soy sauce.
You want to take the oyster first, all the ingredients in here first, and then you want to clean your palate with the sake afterwards. Why you throw the chili inside?
So you throw the chili inside,
and then we're gonna eat all that up, and then this is pretty much your chaser, your cool down.
Your cool down. You cool it down with the stick.
Yeah. So let's salute, right?
Big T's big personality complements the bold flavors of this unique culinary experience. So next time you're in the East Side or you're near Sunnyvale, make sure to eat up at Big T's Seafood Market Bar.